In another video, we showed how Sybiz Vision helps you manage simple manufacturing assemblies at the point of sale or delivery. Sybiz Vision provides manufacturers the depth they need to manage complex, multi-level manufacturing runs, while also being intuitive enough for anyone in the organisation to follow and manage. So, what can we do about more complex assemblies that need to be scheduled and resourced in advance? There's a lot of flexibility to not only order manufacturing runs, but to customise as well. Our customer has placed a sales order for 15 pre-built bikes, all in gold. There are multiple ways we can start the manufacturing process, but in this case, we'll simply place the manufacturer order for the customer as we go. We offer a custom painting service with the ability to adjust the tint of our bikes. This customer wants something a little less shiny, so we've agreed to an 80% tint in our gold paint. This will affect the amount of gold tint required in our manufacturing, but obviously we're still needing to produce the same volume of paint in order to cover all of our bikes. We'll make the note about the paint job, and we'll set a date range for when manufacture should begin and be completed. As with changing assemblies on delivery, we can change the assembly to reduce the amount of tint. In this case, we can see that producing our standard gold paint uses 500 milliliters of gold tint. But when we switch over to batch mode, we can see the total volume of all components that will be required in this manufacturing run. And we can easily alter the amount of gold tint while retaining the total volume of paint. When the manufacturing team is ready to begin, they can start a new issue based on the existing order. And there's even more flexibility in how we handle multi-level assemblies, whether we want all the components pulled from stock and each sub-assembly manufactured as part of this run, if we want to only take completed sub-assemblies from stock, or some combination. In this case, we can generate to the recipe of the bike, so we're only pulling already completed sub-assemblies from stock. This is where our scheduling and resourcing in Sybiz Vision can give us a huge amount of analysis and control. We can plan ahead by scheduling other manufacturing runs to ensure we have the right sub-assemblies in stock to fulfill this order, or we can pull from any level of the complete assembly down to the base components, building this bike from scratch. With all of these features, our manufacturing team has a huge amount of fine-grained control over how they schedule, manage, and alter manufacturing runs. But there's still more to unlock with Sybiz Vision manufacturing, which we will cover in another video.